Good morning, this is Scott Smith from Central Valley HHO. We are driving the 2007.5 Cummins truck here, and it has 195,000 miles. We put hydrogen on demand on this truck when it had 85,000 miles. And what I want you guys to look at is that soot level, okay? So with a hydrogen on demand system, soot level stays at 0.01 the whole time. While driving down the road, while flooring it, it doesn't matter what you do with Central Valley HHO's hydrogen on demand system. And here's the controller. Okay, that's how much hydrogen we're making at this given minute. Like I said, we've had this system on here for, it's been about 110, 120,000 miles. And just want to show you, some data. These units on board are just phenomenal. We're using way less urea on the big trucks that have urea. We're using 20% less fuel. The urea usage is about 58% and higher, depending on how they drive the truck. And I just want to show you, we're driving the truck down the road. You can see the speed and everything, and the soot load just doesn't change. So, I want to do another video on showing how, great our technology works out in the field. So, like I said, we've had this truck, we've had this system on it for about 5-6 years, and we've had no issues with the DPF, no issues with the sensors. And I just want to show you how valuable this data is. And again, this works on every truck. We have trucks all over the world with these units, and the result's the same. They never have to clean the DPF out ever with our technology on the truck, unless something goes severely wrong with the truck. But anyways, I just want to do another video on our technology. This is Scott from Central Valley. Have a great day.